Are your YouTube videos drowning in the algorithm sea? Let's rescue them together by discovering and leveraging high-ranking tags inside VidIQ. First, make sure you have the VidIQ extension installed in your browser. It's the key to unlocking this tag-finding power. Now, head to YouTube Studio and open up the video you want to optimize. Scroll down to the tag section. This is where the magic happens. VidIQ automatically analyzes your video and suggests relevant tags. Pay close attention to the VidIQ score next to each tag. A higher score generally indicates better ranking potential. Below the suggested tags, explore the related tags section. This is where you'll find a treasure trove of potential keywords. Look for tags with high search volume and, even more importantly, low competition. These are the sweet spots. Add the top-performing tags to your video, mixing broad and specific keywords. Remember, aim for a balance, and don't overstuff your tags. Quality over quantity. For even more insights, check the Opportunities tab in VidIQ. It provides personalized tag recommendations based on your video's content and niche. By using high-ranking tags from VidIQ, you'll significantly improve your video's search visibility, attract more viewers, and watch your channel grow. Go forth and conquer the YouTube algorithm.